Hey guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lemon8 app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just click on apps. Come to apps list until you're looking for Lemon8 app. You just click on search. Then here at Lemon8, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.